If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Make sure you stay tuned until the end for some exciting updates, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
Hello, graphics enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a colorful journey with the Turtle module, a fun way to learn programming and graphics. Now, we're importing Colorsys, a module that will let us play with colors in a way that's as mesmerizing as a rainbow. Let's dive into defining our draw_shapes function, where our digital canvas comes to life. Here, we're creating our turtle.
Think of it as our little artist ready to paint the canvas of our screen.
We're setting up the screen.
This is like preparing our digital canvas, where all the action happens. We choose black as our canvas background, a perfect contrast that will make our colors pop. Let's set our turtle speed to the max. We don't have all day, and we want to see our creation unfold quickly. This variable will help us in creating a smooth color transition, giving our shape a vibrant look. This is our hue value, which we'll use to change colors.
We'll start at 0 and watch the spectrum unfold. Prepare for a loop that will spin 360 degrees, creating a kaleidoscope of color and shape.
Here, we convert our hue value to RGB to get a brilliant color.
Incrementing our hue to move through the color spectrum.
Apply the color to our turtle, like dipping its brush into paint. This inner loop will create the intricate layers of our shape. A sharp turn to add some flair to our design.
Moving our turtle forward, the multiplication with I increases the step size, making our shape grow. Another loop, adding even more detail to our shape. A slight turn for a touch of complexity in our geometric dance. And forward we go, adding strokes of color and brightness to our canvas. Finally, let's keep our window open to admire our artwork. What a masterpiece we've created! It's showtime. Let's call our function and bring our creation to life. Watch as the colors dance and swirl. Alright, we've just seen the program in action and checked out the results. If you found this useful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. For more in-depth support or engineering consultancy services, head over to eprogrammer.com. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.